Nurturing a love for cooking in children. Encouraging children to embrace cooking from an early age can be a delightful and beneficial experience that shapes their lives in countless ways. Cooking fosters creativity, independence, teamwork, and a healthier relationship with food. When kids learn to cook, they develop practical life skills, enjoy family bonding, and cultivate a deeper appreciation for the food they eat. Raising kids who love cooking doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, encouragement, and, above all, a nurturing environment where they feel inspired and motivated to try new things. Here are some practical ways to help children develop a genuine love for cooking. 1. Start with simple, fun recipes. Introducing kids to cooking through simple, enjoyable recipes is a great first step. Children often respond well to recipes that are easy to follow and have fun, engaging steps. For example, making homemade pizzas where they can pick their toppings, baking cookies they can decorate, or assembling colorful fruit skewers can make the process exciting. Recipes with a few easy-to-manage steps encourage kids to feel successful and proud of their creations. The goal is to keep them engaged without overwhelming them with complex techniques or too many ingredients. 2. Let them be hands-on. Hands-on experience is invaluable in helping children feel connected to the process of cooking. Kids learn best when they can touch, feel, and manipulate ingredients. Allowing them to stir, pour, mix, and even get a little messy can make cooking a memorable and enjoyable experience. Using child-safe utensils and equipment helps children feel more independent and comfortable in the kitchen. Through this approach, they develop fine motor skills and become more accustomed to working with food. As they gain confidence, they'll be more eager to try new recipes and experiment with different ingredients. 3. Teach the basics of nutrition. Cooking is an ideal opportunity to teach children about the importance of nutrition. When kids understand how certain foods benefit their health, they're more likely to make healthier choices. Use this time to explain simple nutritional concepts, like the value of vegetables, whole grains, and proteins in a balanced diet. Cooking a colorful dish and talking about the different nutrients each ingredient provides can make the learning process interesting. This also encourages kids to explore a wider range of foods and flavors, giving them a greater appreciation for balanced meals. 4. Make cooking a family activity. Cooking together as a family fosters bonding and creates lasting memories. When children see their parents and siblings working together in the kitchen, they feel part of something meaningful and fun. Family cooking nights can become a cherished tradition that encourages kids to associate cooking with warmth, laughter, and collaboration. Assigning each family member a task, such as chopping, stirring, or setting the table, makes everyone feel included. Kids who grow up in a household where cooking is shared are more likely to see it as an enjoyable, communal activity and not just a chore. 5. Encourage experimentation and creativity. Cooking is an art as much as it is a science. Encouraging children to be creative in the kitchen nurtures their sense of adventure and helps them see food as a canvas. Letting kids experiment with flavors, seasonings, and ingredients in a safe way can lead to wonderful discoveries. They might come up with unusual combinations that surprise the family, which can be a rewarding experience. Support their curiosity by allowing them to make small adjustments to recipes or create their own. This freedom to explore and create instills a sense of pride and ownership in their culinary endeavors. 6. Be patient and embrace mistakes. Mistakes are inevitable in cooking, especially when kids are learning. However, these moments are valuable opportunities for growth. Encouraging kids to keep trying even when a recipe doesn't turn out as planned teaches resilience and problem-solving. Be patient and avoid stepping in to fix every mistake. Letting them learn from errors, whether it's burning a pancake or adding too much salt, helps them understand that cooking, like life, is a process of trial and error. A positive and patient attitude will help children develop confidence in their abilities and enjoy the process. 7. Celebrate their efforts. Acknowledging and celebrating a child's cooking achievements, no matter how small, builds self-esteem and reinforces their love for cooking. Whether they made a simple salad or baked a batch of cookies, praise their efforts. Inviting family members to taste their creations or even organizing a mini family cook-off where everyone participates can make kids feel valued and appreciated. This recognition fosters a sense of accomplishment and motivates them to continue improving their skills. Conclusion: nurturing a love for cooking in children is a rewarding journey that has lifelong benefits. By creating a supportive, engaging, and fun kitchen environment, parents can help kids develop essential skills and healthy habits. Cooking teaches responsibility, creativity, and resilience, all while fostering a positive relationship with food. Through simple recipes, hands-on experiences, family involvement, and a focus on creativity, children can learn to appreciate the joy and fulfillment that comes from preparing their own meals. As they grow, they'll carry these valuable skills into adulthood, along with memories of laughter-filled kitchens and the pride of shared accomplishments.